warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti. I'm in 12th grade of TKGD. Here I will present my internship report.
Chapter 1 Introduction 1.1 Background of Fieldwork Practice. Fieldwork Practice PKL activities organized by SMK Negeri 1 Jawai are one of the compulsory programs and are carried out periodically every year. These activities are conducted by 12 and training programs or activities. According to Wardiman Jojonegoro, 1998, PKL is a form of vocational education and training implementation that systematically and sincerely integrates school education programs and skill mastery programs obtained through working in the workforce, directed to achieve a certain level of professional expertise. Fieldwork training PKL is a program carried out with the aim of training students skills in the industrial work. The implementation of PKL is done so that students can understand and measure to what extent the skill they have. In addition, PKL helps students to gain preparation for facing the working world in the future. This activity is expected to be able to develop and improve the abilities that students have, especially with the aim of making students prospective qualified workers who can compete in the industrial work. PKL is given so that students technical gain broader and more flexible insight, especially in the fields of technology and science. On the other hand, fieldwork practice can help improve the quality and standards of vocational schools so that students can directly implement the material learned in this classroom. With the existence of this fieldwork practice activity, it is hoped that a cooperative relationship will occur between the school and the relevant companies agencies. 1.2 Purpose of fieldwork practice. The internship program planning is prepared together by vocational schools, SMK, MAK, and the World of Work. In its implementation, the internships meets the needs of students, while also serving as a means for the working world to contribute to improving the quality of education in vocational schools. Operationally, the goals of the internship are as follows: 1. Developing and fostering professional character and work culture in students. 2. Improving students' competencies, providing students with direct experience of the working world. 3. According to the curriculum and the needs of the job market. 4. Preparing students independent to work and engage in entrepreneurship. 1.3 Benefit of fieldwork practice. the benefits of PKL will be felt not only by the student but also by the institution organizing PKL. Some of the benefits of PKL for vocational high school are as follows. 1.3.1 Improving the skills competencies that have been acquired in schools. B. Enhance understanding of the work world, particularly through direct real-world experience, in order to instill a positive work climate oriented toward caring for the quality of process and work result. C. Adding to and improving the participants' competencies instills a high work ethic in accordance with the work culture in the business industrial world. D. Strengthen productive abilities according to the skills competencies that are learned. A. Develop skills according to the guidance direction of industry mentors and be able to contribute to the workforce. F. Strengthening a personality with character in accordance with the demands of values that grow from industrial culture. G. The learning outcomes of PKL participants will be more meaningful because after graduations they will truly have professional skills as a proficiency to improve their standard of living and as a provision for their continuous personal development. H. The professional skills acquired can elevate self-esteem and confidence, which in turn will encourage graduates to improve their professional skills at a higher level. 1.3.2 Benefits for the school. A. Strengthening partnership, establishing mutually beneficial cooperative relationship with the workforce and industry. B. Improvement in grade quality. Graduates have higher skills and competencies according to the demands of the workforce due to direct experience. C. Curriculum relevance helps schools make the curriculum and learning process relevant to match industry needs. D. Improving school image, enhancing the image, popularity, and public trust in the quality of the school's education. E. Concrete contribution, providing skilled labor contributions to the company and supporting educational development. F. Fulfillment of obligations, carrying out the obligations mandated by the education law. G. Alignment of facilities and infrastructure, the result of observations during the internship can be used for the development of school parties facilities. Chapter 2 General overview of the internship location. 2.1 Profile of Lambau Village Office. During the leadership of the first village head of Palembang Village, Mr. Jikan Sama, from 1954 until the end of 1967. He was succeeded by Mr. Saad Haji Mansur as the next village head of Pelempaan in the second phase. At that time, Lambau was designated as a village unit. Rukun Kampung, led by Mr. Jakbar, unit as its chairman from 1964 to 1975, with the issuance of Law No. Number 5 of 1979, the title of village head changed to village chief, and at that time, the tenure of Pelempaan village head, Mr. M. Saad Haji Mansur, also ended. With the end of the tenure of the Pelempaan village chief, so for the first time a committee was also formed, namely the village head election committee. On November 14, 1984, the first Pilkadas was held, resulting in the election of Mr. Malik Masjid as the official village head of Pelempaan in the third term. 2.2 Organizational structure of the Lambau Village Office. In the administration of Lambau Village, Jawai District Sambas Regency, in addition to the village government, there is the Village Consultative Body BPD institution, which carries out its function based on the law, namely 1. Discussing and agreeing on the draft village regulations together with the village head. 2. Accommodating and channeling the aspirations of the village community. 3. Carrying out supervision of the village head's performance. Chapter 3. Implementation of an internship. 3.1 Internship Activity Schedule. Fieldwork Parties activities at the Lambau Village Office from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The implementation days are from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday are off. 3.2 Duties and responsibilities of the KL student. Carrying out field work parties activities with full responsibility. Applying field work practice activities according to the knowledge obtained from school. Continue to maintain the school's good name during the implementation of field work practice activities. Keep learning and seeking new knowledge at the internship place diligent and disciplines during the field work practice activities, maintaining manners and attitude toward employees, teachers, and colleagues during field work parties. 3.3 Challenges faced and efforts to overcome them. 1. Lack of activities performed by students. 2. A job that is not related to the major. Effort to solve it. 1. Because this work is not from the TKG major. The supervisor does not volunteer the work in that office to be given to the internship student. It is advisable for internship students to be more active in offering help and asking about tasks that considered not yet understood so that mistakes do not occur during the work. 2. The TKJ department that carries out PKL activities at the Lambau Village office needs to adapt to the field work environment. This is because the TKJ department, which studies more about computer networks and the like, must be able to carry out activities that are more related to correspondence. The effort must is to ask the supervisor to teach and accompany the PKL student to so that they can complete the task in the Lambau Village office. 3.4 Student Achievements. 3.4.1 Writing outgoing letters. Outgoing letters are letters made when someone wants to create a letter. For example, a lost letter, Jamaican letter, death letter, marriage recommendation letter, and so on. 3.4.2 Making a family card. Correction letter. Creating a family card. Correction letter is when someone wants to change to date on the family card. For example, employment status, wants to add family members, change marital status, and so on. 3.4.3 Photocopy. Photocopy is the activity of duplicating or copying an important document. In this activity, the documents being photocopied include ID card, family card, and others. Chapter 4 Closing. 4.1 Conclusion. Internship or fieldwork parties is a learning activity conducted in the workplace to apply the theory and practice that have been learned in schools. This activity is carried out for a certain period according to the curriculum and the needs of the working world. With this internship activity, it is expected that students will be able to work professionally in the future with the knowledge gained during this internship. In addition to learning it knowledge, the internship activities at Lambau Village office also provide knowledge about how to make letters, photocopy, print, and so on. 4.2 Advice for companies. 1. It is expected that the cooperation between schools and companies will be increased by providing more opportunities for vocational high school students to do fieldwork practice. 2. For the employees, their motivations and discipline at work should be further increased. 3. The relationships between employees and internship students is expected to always maintain harmony in order to create a good cooperative atmosphere. For school. 1. Monitoring of students who are currently doing internship, as well as those who are about to start their internship, will be further encouraged to convince the companies about this internship program. 2. In providing physical and mental material training so that it is further enhanced, especially for the development of student mentals. 3. And also the teachers also always provide motivation, guidance, and literacy to the students. Thank you.
That's all my presentation. I apologize if there are any shortcomings. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.